Oh, 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 oh. So you know, boys. That's how you know. That's how you know. It's a good sign of spring right there. Crack, crack, crack. Ah, yeah. My knee's almost better. It's almost better. But I didn't get to go for a rip the other day, and it's not a bad day out. So I think I'm gonna go for a rip today. Oh, my knee. Wasn't ready for that one too much. My brother was busy too, and no got any tall tripod, so that's some of the shots. I don't know how my chesty was, but hopefully it wasn't just shit. Yeah. Oh, and I know some of you guys were asking about the little pit hole. Say you need fire, you need this, do a big jump. It's not a jump. It's not really supposed to be a jump. It's just part of the track. Still a bunch of snow is gonna melt, and we can do some more, but for right now, that's what we got. That's what we're making work. Apologize. Yeah, if you like that, like it. But yeah, thanks boys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.